All right, guys, welcome back to Phoenix Tech TV. Really disappointed right now. Ordered something from Amazon. This is the Gliston. I believe this is 35 or 40 pieces of a Dent puller system. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Let me turn the camera around for you. Yeah. All right. So what it comes with six Dent puller pieces. Then you've got about 10 or 12 Dent puller pieces. You've got some wedges, some pries, some glue sticks. You got a bridge, a glue gun, and the alcohol bottle that you can see right there. Truth be told, don't waste your time, don't waste your money. We tried every method. We tried the glue sticks, we tried the black ones, we tried the clear ones. None of them. Nothing works. Okay? The best part of this system, and I ordered it from Amazon, cost me about $40 or so plus tax. Nothing about this system operates the way it's advertised or the way the videos advertise them. Save your money, save your time, save your efforts. We're going to go back to the drawing board on this particular project, trying to get the dents out of this vehicle. I may just end up buying the actual panels or the pieces, and we'll come back with some installation videos for you. In the meantime, take care of yourselves, and I'm out.